Rakesh Srivastava teaching you maths of class 10th NCERT in trigonometry, height and distance. Exercise 9.1. Question 13, because in the previous lecture already I have explained all the questions. So question number 13 is given. In the question number 13 you are seeing, as observed from a top of 75 meter high lighthouse. As observed from the 75 meter tall lighthouse. It is a lighthouse. Okay. From the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other, on the same side of the lighthouse, maybe one is this side, one is this side, but one ship is angle of depression is same two ships. Just behind to each other there is a two ships C and D. Angle of depression is given 30 degree and 45 degree. What is given? So depression angle, it is given 30 degree and 45 degree. Just behind to each other. If the ships are exactly behind to each other, find the distance between the two ships. Your question is, you find out the distance between the ships. Means your main theme is this. You want to find out this, it is a 90 degree. So first you find out angle BD is equal to 45 degree, angle C is equal to 30 degree. It is by the, now this you find out, BD you can get by this right triangle, both the, because one side is given, so 75 gives you BD, 75 also gives you BC. Then X is equal to BC minus BD. So in triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 45 degree is equal to AB, B upon B, AB by BD. So tan 45 1, B, AB is 75 upon BD, therefore BD is equal to 75 meter. One answer you are getting. In triangle ABC, tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to again AB by BC, not CD, BC, full line. So 1 by root 3 is equal to 75 upon BC. So it is BC is equal to 75 root 3. Therefore X, which is equal to BC minus BD. 75 root 3 minus 75, you are getting 75 root 3 minus 1. It is the distance between both the ships. 75 root 3 minus 1, you are getting the distance between both the ships. Question number 14. Question number 14 is given for the balloon. It is a question of balloon. A 1.2 meter tall, figure is also given, 1.2 meter tall girl is seeing a balloon moving with the wind the horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. Spot a balloon which is here. A balloon is here. She is seeing this balloon which has a height from the ground. It is a ground. On the ground she is, and this is given 88.2 meter. It is given 88.2. Observe the angle of elevation, how much? 60 degree. It is 60 degree. Then after some time the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. It means the balloon is going this direction. Now balloon is at this place. And she observes the angle changes to 30 degree from same point. And you are seeing the height will be same. Height of this is also 88.2 meter. Total height from here to here and here to here. So when you produce this line, you are getting this. It is the two figures. Balloon is like this, 30 degree and 60 degree. 60 degree is full and 30 degree. So AB is a curve. CD is the first position. EF is the second position. P and Q are these points I have taken. Your question is given, find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. Find the distance of the balloon traveled in this duration, means you want to find out this. This you want to find out. Very simply you can do it. What? It is also AB is equal to PD is equal to QF is equal to 1.2 meter. So you will find out CP. CP is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2. That is 87 meter. CP. CP is equal to QE is equal to 87 meter. So these right triangles will take here and here. Two right triangles you find out. AQ minus AP will be X. So in triangle APC, tan 60 degree is equal to CP upon AP. Where is this? CP upon AP, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 means root 3 is equal to CP is 87 upon AP. So AP is equal to 87 upon root 3. That you can do by rationalizing, then it is easy. Root 3. So you will get 87 root 3 upon 3. So AP is equal to 3 2 ja 6, 3 9 ja 27, 29 root 3. AP you are getting 29. And another triangle from A. In triangle AQE, tan 30 degree. Tan 30 in triangle AQE, tan 30 degree is equal to QE. QE upon AQ. Tan 30, 1 upon root 3. QE again 87. AQ you want to find out, so AQ is equal to 87 root 3, it is AQ. Both distances. Now total distance you have got here. Now you want to find out what is your answer. Answer is not this. You will get the answer by itself. So distance covered during this chain is equal to X, which is AQ minus AP. This is also X. AQ. What is the AQ? 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. Root 3 is root 3. 58 root 3 meter. What are you getting? It is the distance traveled. What are you getting here? 50. So another this you are getting 58 root 3 meter. 58 root 3 meter is the distance covered by during this chain. What is 58? This value to this value is here. It is your answer. Final answer of this. Thanks for today.